Kwelinye inqaku, isiseko iTEXA Foundation sithathe iphulo laso sonxibelelwano nabachaphazelekayo salisa kwisitalato sodumo iVilakazi Street eOrlando West kusasa ukuya kugxininisa kwimarike yoqoqosho kwilokishi kunye namandla orhwebo loluntu. Eliphulo liyinxalenye yokulungiselela isikhumbuzo seminyaka engama-50 kwenzeka izidubedube zephulo leSoweto Uprising. Umsunguli weTEXA uBheki Thwala uthi ukuguqula iSoweto ibe yindawo ephilayo nelungileyo kubakhenkethi kufuna utyalo-mali oluqinileyo kunye nomzamo odibeneyo.
Iziko iTEXA lizibandakanye nabathathi inxaxheba abafanelekileyo, abathengisi basezitalatweni kunye nemibutho yokhenketho njengenxalenye yamaphulo okuqaphela indima enkulu nembali yonyaka ka-1976 kweyeSilimela.
We are here today at Vilakazi Street because we've got a project that we are doing, which is the 50th Soweto Uprising commemoration and celebration. We've got a number of projects and programs and events that we're putting together. We've got the stakeholders, the ladies that are selling here at Vilakazi, and then we've got also the tourism organizations that are here, and also we have the patrollers that are patrolling at Vilakazi. We are launching the inaugural Soweto Uprising market, or the township economy markets. We are launching it here on the 7 and 8 this coming Saturday and Sunday. But also when we arrived there, we saw the precinct is not proper in terms of the cleaning. We need to clean the precinct. Now we decided on Thursday we'll be doing the cleaning.
Ekuqhubekeni nalamaphulo, umseki weTEXA uBheki Thwala uthi kusekuninzi kudinga ukwenziwa ukugqamisa indawo yaseSoweto kuquka ukutyala imali kuyo ukuze kukhule necandelo lezokhenketho.
Let's talk about the Vilakazi Street. When you look at here, there's not even a board that says welcome to Vilakazi Street. There's no company that is doing the precinct management, both the Hector Peterson and the Vilakazi Street precinct. There is no company that is looking at marketing. For example, the challenges that people are facing, most especially the street vendors, there's no business. They are saying business is not there in Vilakazi anymore. You know the reason why? It's because we don't have buyers, the people that are coming to buy. Yes, we might have tourists. Tourists are coming here to go to the Mandela's house. From there, they go and have lunch. Wherever they're having lunch, they get to their buses and going back home. Going back to their hotels. When they're supposed to buy anything, they'll go to your Fourways Mall or Fourways Markets, where they buy. We are now saying the status quo must change.
Uthwala ubuye wabethelela amandla umyalezo womanyano loluntu ekwenzeni utshintsho kwiingingqi zabo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mtuka eOrlando West.